Have you ever thought, I have written the code, but how do I show it to the world? If your project is still stuck on your local system and the word GitHub feels confusing or intimidating, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to upload your code to GitHub step by step in a super simple and beginner friendly way. No complex terms, no confusion, just clear steps and real demo. So you can confidently say, yes, my project is live on GitHub. Make sure you watch till the end because learning GitHub is a must-have skills for every developers. My name is Rohit and you are watching Web Light Builders. So let's get started. So this is the basic React page. Whenever we do like npm create void at the latest, it is automatically created, right? So let's go to the code, VS Code, and here I'm going to upload this code on GitHub. So when we are uploading code on GitHub, like we don't want certain things to be uploaded, right? That is the first one is .env and the second one is node modules. So why we don't do that? Because .env file contains sensitive information like database password, API keys, JWT secrets, and private credentials. So if you upload this file to GitHub, anyone can see your secrets, which can lead to data leaks, hacking, or misuse of your APIs. That's why we always hide .env. So now let's talk about node modules. The node modules folder contains all third-party packages your project depends on, and this folder can be very large, sometimes hundred of megabytes. So uploading it to GitHub is unnecessary because any developer can recreate it by simply running npm install using the package.json file. So keeping node modules out of GitHub makes the repository lighter, cleaner, and faster to clone. So in short, .env is hidden for security reasons and node modules is hidden for performance and cleanliness. That's why both of them are added to gitignore and never pushed to GitHub. So let's go to the gitignore, and here node modules is already added, and I will add also .env. Okay, so it is added now, and now the first thing you have to do, go to github.com. I will come here and search github.com, and you should have an account on GitHub to create a repository and upload it on GitHub. Okay, so first create an account. If you don't have, then you can continue from here. Okay, so first of all, create a new repository, and I will give it a name, demo. Okay, so demo is available here, you can see. Okay, then just click on create repository. So now you can see like our repository is created. So scroll down, and here you can see all the commands are available, all the commands are written here. Okay, so you don't need to remember every command, so just copy and paste and your code will be live on GitHub. Okay, so first of all, I will do copy git init and come back to the VS Code, and here I will open up a new terminal. Okay, and inside demo I will paste the command git init and initialized the repository. Okay, so go back again, and here I will copy it, git commit first commit, go to the VS Code again and paste it here. Okay, so let's see what it is showing. So I will pull up the terminal here and I will check. So nothing added to commit but untracked file present. Okay, so I have to add all the files here. So for that, what I will do, I will write here git add, and I will give a dot here. Okay, so what will this command do? It will add every file and folder to the like commit. Okay, so after that I will paste the command git commit first commit and then click on enter. Now you can see everything is added now. Okay, and then go to the GitHub repository, and here I will copy the git branch main, copy it from here and paste it in the terminal. So it will upload on the main branch. Okay, right now it is on the master, it will change master to the main. Okay, and now go back and I will set origin and copy it from here. So come back and paste it here, git remote add origin. So this is the origin. Okay, it will link to this origin. So now the last command is git push u origin main. So copy it and paste it here. So just doing it, and once it is finished, your code will be uploaded on GitHub. Okay, so now refresh the page and boom, your code is uploaded. So as you can see, like there is no .env and node modules folder because we have added it on the git ignore. Okay, so that's the reason. So now you know how to upload your code on GitHub step by step. So if this video helped you even a little, make sure to like it. It really supports the channel. So if you are new here, subscribe because I will be sharing more practical videos on my channel. If you have any question, doubt, or get stuck at any steps, drop your question in the comment. And thanks for watching. Keep building, keep pushing your code, and I will see you in the next video.